Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for all gazebos. Today we're going to show you how to decorate a pop-up gazebo to make your outdoor space both stylish and functional. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your theme. The first step in decorating your pop-up gazebo is to choose a theme. This could be a specific color scheme, a seasonal look, or a particular style such as bohemian or rustic. Having a theme in mind will help guide your decorating decisions and create a cohesive look. Step 2. Add lighting. Lighting is a crucial aspect of decorating your pop-up gazebo. You can add strings of fairy lights, lanterns, or even candles to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Just be sure to follow any safety precautions when using open flames. Step 3. Use outdoor curtains. Outdoor curtains are a great way to add privacy and create a cozy vibe in your gazebo. Choose curtains made from outdoor-friendly materials and hang them from the corners of the gazebo for maximum impact. Finally, accessorize your gazebo with plants and flowers to bring a touch of nature to your outdoor space. Hanging plants, potted flowers, and floral arrangements will not only add color, but also provide a relaxing atmosphere. And that's it, our 4 steps for decorating a pop-up gazebo. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you're inspired to make the most of your outdoor space. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gazebo tips and tricks. Until next time.